How to remove Roblox games from Continue. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address concerns regarding the deletion of Roblox games from the Continue section and explore the feasibility of achieving this task. Firstly, you must launch your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, to access the official Roblox website. Upon reaching the site, you may notice a "Please donate" on my Continue game prompt. To access the settings, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. However, despite exploring various options within the settings and profile sections, there appears to be no direct method to remove games from the Xbox Continue feature. As of the recording of this video, there is no official mechanism provided by Roblox to facilitate this action. I have created this video to share the information available and assist viewers in navigating the issue. Furthermore, whether you're using a PC, Mac, or mobile device, the Roblox app does not currently offer a feature to delete games from the Continue. I hope this tutorial has been beneficial in guiding you on how to manage Roblox games within the Continue feature. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more valuable tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.